down. So if you've been into woodworking for any amount of time, I'm sure you've at least heard of or probably used a Kreg pocket hole jig. Very common, very popular. However, there were a few things I thought that could be improved personally, just based from my experience of using it for a while. So that is when I decided to create my own pocket hole jig. I didn't care for the clamp a whole lot. You have this deal, you have to slide it on. So instead, you just clamp it down with a spring-loaded wood clamp. And as you can see here, the jig held in place just fine during the drilling. Instead of having two slides, I decided to add one that's held in place by tension. I added a 90-degree drill guide to the top of the jig. Equipped with dual sight lines, this guide ensures perfect centering by allowing you to view your layout marks directly through the base.